Hey everybody, this is Francis Rana from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Hey everybody, this is Francis Rana from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk, and today we're doing another unboxing. No, it's not for Watch Gang. It's a new subscription service that I got from, forgive me if I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, but BeSpoke or BeSpoke, I don't know, whatever. But it's a new subscription. This is the first box that I got from them, and we will see if we like it or not. All right, so come stay with me as we unbox the first package that I got from this company. Okay, everybody. So this is the first box that I got from BeSpoke or BeSpoke. I don't know. Again, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, as you can tell that the box is still sealed. Now, unlike Watch Gang or this is something that I knew what I was gonna get. It's something that you can choose actually. So I'm not sure if I really like that yet or not, but I like the idea that it's something different. So at least the different from what I've been used to. So let's go and open this. So today I'm actually gonna use my AccuStrike Wheel knife, right, to open the box today. There we go. All right, so that's open, going and closing the knife and putting it back in its sheet, and let's open it. Here we go. All right, it's the packaging is nice. If you have any issues, there's an email address and where you can send this out back to. It came with some well, I'll tell you guys this about in a minute. But yeah, like I said, I knew. And then, it's nicely wrapped. It says, enjoy. I like that. So I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see it. Same time I am. Nice wrapping paper. And bam. All right. So it's now in a Ziploc. What else comes with this? Let me open up the box. It's come with a bandana buddy. So that's cool. Alright, so let's put this away for a second, and let's go and open this package. Nice Ziploc. And like I said, I knew what it was already, so I'm not really super surprised. But of course, there's only so much you can learn and see online. And here you go, guys. It's my sunglasses. Summer is around the corner, so I figured, hey, now's a good time to invest in some new sunglasses. Okay, so, the frame, I know a little bit about glasses as far as the framework is concerned and the type of glasses that a person needs. The frame is the frame's pretty good, pretty solid, very lightweight. It's not super solid. It's got the round lenses as well. But the thing what kind of concerns me right now is that there's no give on the side. So if this is not fit directly to your head, these will definitely squeeze your head and actually can cause headaches. So let's go ahead and turn the camera back around. All right, guys. So this is the first time I'm going to be trying on these glasses. Again, my biggest concern right now is that there's no give on the side. And without any give on the side, these can cause. Since there's no give on the side, and if it doesn't fit your head properly, it's going to cause headaches. So let's try this on. Actually, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, I don't know if you guys can see on the side. It's not super tight on the side. You can see the reflection of my light, of course. But yeah, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. All right, this is something I can rock. I'll wear this for the rest of the video. All right, and then it came with this case. Now I thought this case was kind of neat. It's a leather case, and so you unwrap it like this. And sure enough, I guess I'm not wearing this the whole time. Sure enough, you put your glasses in here. I'm assuming it's this way, backwards in. So so the best way to put it is keep keep it open, then close it into it, and then you can just kind of wrap into it. Oh, I think I'm wrapping it the wrong way. There you go. Okay, so It doesn't have any like space like where you can put it through. You could or a loop through for your belt. There's no clip, so it's just the only thing that's keeping this together is this leather strap. And then also it came with something else. It came with a bandana buddy, glasses genie, screen. So basically, it's a glasses cleaner. So that's kind of neat. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels like so it's 80% polyester and 20% polyamide. Polyamide. No. Interesting thing. You definitely nobody's gonna say that this is not yours. So kind of thing. But now the question is, where do I put this in here? I guess I guess I would wrap it inside the glasses as well. Okay, so here's the glasses again. And I'm gonna see if I can wrap again, open it up first, wrap the glasses into it, place it on the case. Yeah, it doesn't wrap into it very well, because it's not designed for that. This is something that you have to kind of carry as as another item. And quite frankly, for me, what I like as far as things that I carry is it's the portability and the minimalist kind of movement to it. I don't want to be able to carry two things when I can just carry one. I don't want to carry three things if I can just carry two or one itself. And with this, I have to carry this, then I have to carry this, then I have to carry this. Now, I can justify these two together just because I paid $45 for these glasses, which is not the most expensive thing I paid for as far as glasses is concerned. But it's still kind of like, I can justify it where, I want to make sure I take care of this. I'll put it in the right case. But what makes it even difficult is like, it's hard to carry this case. Again, there's no belt loop. I'm not trying to go full dad mode, everybody, but there's no place for me to put my belt loop onto this. There's no clip. This would have to go in my pocket, and there's not much cushion in here. So it's like if I put my glasses in here and I, put this in my pocket and I sit down, it's gonna also compress the glasses, so it might even break. So I don't even really know if this is the best case for these glasses, especially since it's mostly for looks. It just kind of oh, look, you have a line or a leather case for your glasses, and yeah, it looks good. It feels kind of neat, but I don't think it justifies that this is like it's something that I would not be able to wear and bring with me on the daily, only because it is so cumbersome to carry a case that I have to put in my pocket. I don't know how durable the glasses is, so I'm not really comfortable bringing my sunglasses with me without a case in it, because I'm afraid I might break it. And the mirror. And then the third thing is that I have to carry this thing because it doesn't fit anywhere in this thing for me to be able to clean my glasses. So yeah, I'm not really happy. I don't think that this is something that's a really great find for as far as the subscription box is concerned. I will give this one more month and then see what I can get the second time around and see if I can if I'm going to stick with this or not. Now again, the great thing about this company, this subscription company, is that they actually give you a list of choices of what to choose from. Now maybe depending on when I was able to do this, because they do have a limited quantity. The first thing that they offered me was a travel bag. I don't really like the travel bag, only because it's a handle. There's no strap. There's no wheels, so it doesn't really bode well for me. And I already have that type of travel bag, so I'm not really looking to get a second one. There was another one that was like a camping knife. I like knives, as you all know this, but I'm not really into camping. So this was the next, and then there was like wine or something like that. So this was like the next thing that I think, that I could get that's practical. But so far, not very blown away with it. I think the glasses look neat. I think I look good, but and it's comfortable. I was concerned about how that it doesn't have any give to it, but it's still pretty comfortable. So, I'm keeping it. So we'll just see what the next month brings. So Anyways, you guys like what you guys see, please comment down below. And don't forget to please subscribe, like, and share this channel. And don't forget that notification button. Until then, my name is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group. And today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Bye.